So we want to determine the type of symmetry of the graph f of x, if it has any. So remember that when we're looking at symmetry of graphs, we really want to look at this exponent right here. So remember that if your exponent is even, your graph is going to look like a parabola like this. So that's if x is even. And remember, if x is odd, your graph is going to look something like this, right? And whenever we have an even graph, we know that our symmetry is going to be across the y-axis, because I kind of think of it as where can you fold the graph so that the quadrants of your graph kind of line up with each other. So here, if we folded the graph on the y-axis, then those two parts of the graph would line up with each other. But here, where x is odd, you can't fold it on the y-axis and you can't fold it on the x-axis. You have to fold it kind of on the origin so that this quadrant here lines up with this one over here. And so here our exponent is a 9 in the graph that we're trying to find, or the graph that we're looking at. And so we know because x is odd, then we're going to have symmetry across the origin.